Hello, Namaste. Welcome to Tiny Times Doctor's Corner. Myself, Dr. Bharti Mahanti, and now we are going to another new episode that is the benefits of regular exercise. Yes, everyone knows exercise is good for health, but do you know how much good it is? Yes, boosting your mood to improving your sex life, want to feel better, having more energy, or even add years to your life? Just exercise. The health benefits of regular exercise or physical activity are hard to ignore, but everyone get benefits from this exercise regardless of age, sex, and physical ability. So let's check how exercise makes us happy and healthy. Number one, exercise controls weight. Yes, exercise helps in preventing us weight gain or helps to maintain weight loss. When you engage in physical activity, you burn calories. The more intense the activity, the more calories you burn. Regular trips to gym are great, but you don't worry if you are not getting enough time to exercise every day. Any amount of activity is better at home throughout the day. Just be more active throughout the day. Take staircase instead of elevator or rev up your household chores. Number 2, exercise combats health conditions and diseases. Worried about heart disease? Hopping to prevent the high blood pressure? No matter what your current weight is. Being active boosts high density lipoprotein HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, and it decreases unhealthy triglycerides. This 1 to 2 punches keeps your blood flowing smoothly, which decreases your risk of cardiovascular diseases. Regular exercises helps us to prevent or manage from many health problems and concerns like stroke, metabolic syndrome, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, arthritis, depression, anxiety, and many types of cancers, etc. Number 3, exercise improves mood. Want an emotional lift or need to blow off your steam after a stressful day? A gym session or brisk walk can help physical activity stimulate various brain chemicals that may leave you feeling happier, more relaxed, and less anxious. You may also feel your better appearance and yourself while you are exercising regularly. It increases your confidence and also improves your self esteem. Number 4, exercise boosts your energy. Regular physical exercise or physical activity can improve your muscle strength and boost your energy. Exercise delivers oxygen and nutrients to your body tissues, which helps your cardiovascular system to work more efficiently. It improves your lungs and heart health and gives you more energy to tackle with the daily course. And number 5, exercise promotes proper sleep. Are you struggling for a proper sound sleep? Regular physical activities can help you to fall in a sleep faster. It betters your sleep and deepens your sleep. And number 6, exercise put back the spark in your sex life. Do you feel too tired or too out of space to enjoy the physical intimacy? Regular physical activity can improve the energy levels and increase your confidence about your physical appearance, which may boost your sex life. But there is even more than that. Regular physical activity can enhance the arousal of the woman, and men who regularly exercises has less likely to have the problems like erectile dysfunction than the men who doesn't exercise. And number 7, exercise can be fun and social. Exercise and physical activity can be enjoyable. They give you a chance to unwind, enjoy the outdoors, or simply engage in activities that makes you happy. Physical activity can also help you to connect with the family or friends in a fun social setting. Take a dance class, gym, or play the outdoor games, or find a physical activity you enjoy and just do it. Getting bored doing the same thing always? Then try something new. Do something with your family and friends. And the bottom line, what I am going to say is exercise or the physical activities are the great ways to feel better, boost your health, and have fun. The Department of Health and Human Services recommends at least 150 minutes a week of a moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes a week of vigorous aerobic activity or the combination of vigorous and moderate activities, which includes running, swimming, and walking, etc. And if you want to lose weight, you may need to ramp your moderate aerobic activity to 300 minutes or more a week. And remember to check with your doctor before doing a new exercise, especially while you're concerned with the fitness and haven't exercised for the long time or having the health conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. And if you think the contents of the video are helpful, share to your near ones. Subscribe for more videos. On every Monday, you can watch a new video on Tiny Times Doctor's Corner. Thank you. Thank you for watching.